Hello everyone. Today, I want to share with you a secret that has helped me get more done on the plane. Yes, it's true. We all know that flying can be a great time to rest, catch up on sleep, or just enjoy the view. But did you know that you can also use your flight to get more done? The secret is simple: organization. When you're flying, you have a lot more time to plan your day and set your goals. So, let's break it down into 3 simple steps. 1. Plan ahead. Before you board your plane, take a few minutes to plan out your day or week. Make a to-do list and prioritize your tasks. This will help you stay focused and ensure that you don't forget anything important. 2. Set boundaries. While flying, it's easy to get swept away by the peace and quiet. However, it's important to set boundaries between work and play. Keep your workspace small and limited to the cabin, and avoid checking your emails or working on your laptop during takeoff and landing. 3. Take breaks. Remember that flying is supposed to be a break from your daily routine, not the opposite. So take regular breaks to stretch, walk around, or even just stand up and move around. This will help you stay alert and focused, and will make it easier to get more done during your flight. By following these simple steps, you can transform your flight into an opportunity to get more done and achieve your goals. So, the next time you're on a plane, remember these tips and make the most of your time in the air. Happy flying!